So all I've added now is just a bit of content just so you can see what it could look like. Obviously this is a minimal portfolio, so it needs content to look how it should. So I've just put in quite a few portfolio items, put in a bunch of random stuff into the blog. We could test pagination and so on. That doesn't have a featured image, never mind. I've made an about me page. You guys have probably seen this on the demo, but just show you quickly anyway. And if we go over to portfolio, you can see it's looking a lot fuller now. Go over to large. So a couple of final things. Firstly, in case you didn't notice, this MinimalFolio is done in the proper child theming system. Most themes that you might have tried aren't done like that, but this is the proper way of doing it. So if you look here, this is the parent theme, MinimalFolio. It's got all the code, and then these are child themes. So if you look inside, you've just got image replacements. For example, this is a blue theme. You see it's got some blue images, and the only other thing that's really there is a style override. This is CSS, in case you don't know. Don't be too scared by it if you're not familiar with it. It's actually very simple. As you can see, I'm just changing background colors, I'm changing images. So you can see it's actually quite simple. For example, let me just show you actually. Let's say we wanted to make a light green theme. We just copy, change the name to something, go over, change the title to light and green, and let's say this is the menu, navigation menu hover. We change this to green. There, we've already started making our own green theme now, and that will automatically appear in WordPress. So you can see it's pretty simple. There's lots of help online about this because it is the official way of doing things. And that brings me on to the settings. You'll notice that the settings, which are here under appearance, have very few options compared to a lot of themes. That's because a lot of themes have a lot of redundant settings. They try and impress you with 6 pages of settings, and really you have much more control if you go into if you make a child theme, or you go into a child theme, you change the style. You have infinitely more control than a settings page. So this settings page is pretty simple. Front slideshow max, that is just how many you want here, and then the other two, how many items you want on each portfolio. So the small one, as you can see there, has 9, large one has 6. So the only thing I'd say quickly is that this is 3 columns, so it's good to have multiples of 3, 6, 9, 12, so on. Large doesn't really matter, by default it's 6. That's up to you. You guys can change that if you like. And that's everything. If you guys have any questions, need any help, send me a message on ThemeForest. I'll get back to you pretty quickly. Alright, thanks for listening. Bye.